everybody and welcome back to my channel. We are about to watch season 1 episode 7 of Paper Girls. If you know anybody who loves the show, share the video so we can have fun all together. If you want to watch the reaction to the full episode, it's on my Patreon, the link is down below. That being said, in the last episode we had the girls meeting, older Tiffany. She is amazing. Like in the future self, it's incredibly cool, it's incredibly smart. I just love her. The two of them went out to look for Harry, I don't remember, Larry, to ask some questions because he is the only one that can help them deciphering, I don't know the word, crack the code of the fucking book, That is happening. At the same time, we had KJ going out. She watched the movie. She saw herself again. She's starting to understand things. Erin went to, see herself once more. At the end, we had our Mac finally telling one of the girls to KJ. She told her that she's not gonna make it, like she's going to die at 16. So, that it's awful. Yes, also at the end of the episode, we saw something happening in the farm, in Larry's farm. That wasn't a folding, maybe, but there are other ways to travel in time, I guess. So maybe there is a way how they can go back to their own time. We will see. But anyways, let's just go and see what happens.
Here's another turn of phrase that I am fond of. A roll's a roll.
She is so proud of herself, or like her older version.
I don't need no rolls.
She's so happy.
Only 7 more years.
7 more years. 7 years.
You could get medicine and treatment.
She wants to help
From where?
them. To
The
help
hospital?
her.
Yeah, maybe.
Months of awful chemo that we already know didn't work 7 years ago. Fuck that.
But maybe you don't have it yet.
Oh well, of course, if they stay there, if they have to stay there 7 years, she's going to die in that time. So that means that she will never happen in her time. So abroad. This is weird. This is why time traveling is always a mindfuck.
Isn't that a thing with cancer? Catching it early? We can't just do nothing.
No one right answer at all when it comes to feeling things.
I'd say that's a lot to get from a coffee mug.
I love her attitude.
What?
You're so focused. Is that what you really want? Your life to be lived for the approval of others?
Ooh.
Is Mom not proud of you?
Hell, more than that, fun matters. Having real friends matters.
She is so right.
That's a speech someone should have given at the end of high school. I want you to have the head start that I didn't have.
Something happened.
Frankly, I'm jealous.
You just love blaming Mom for your problems, don't you?
You're adopted.
Oh, holy shit.
Stop it. That's not funny.
Jesus Christ.
There's
Holy shit.
absolutely nothing to feel bad about.
She just
Ultimately, this
she
is a
really
good
just said that.
We
to
find out our
herself.
sophomore year. I'm giving you a gift.
Stop messing with me.
This is not easy
know
to
deep
hear.
down.
I didn't even think something like that could happen. Oh, she's going to see herself.
You're so going.
Haha.
Nice. You're so going to hell, by the way.
Holy shit.
I guess that's my grave.
I can't imagine this. This is so.
What do you think I look like down there?
but I'd say your eyeballs are definitely gone.
Oh, good lord.
Yeah, worms eat those first.
You're fucked up. People don't notice because you're quiet, but you're fucked up, KJ.
I just love this.
Bet they buried you in the dress too.
Okay, stop.
Just saying.
This bitch. Is that her mom?
That's my stepmom.
Her stepmom, okay. Oh shit.
My mom doesn't let my sister and I watch MTV.
That's censorship.
Censorship.
You what?
This guy seems so
Am I wearing a sign
stupid.
that says "Feed me Pop-Tarts" or something?
I love this apartment anyways.
Hey. Yeah. Cool.
This guy is
And you
so
guys are just
fucking
friends at
dumb.
first? I don't have a baseball bat.
This guy is so fucking dumb. Ow.
There's time to fix them?
Maybe not.
I'm gonna do the right thing.
It's okay.
You burned up instantly? Jesus!
He's panicking. Well, that is not
I'm
the
sorry.
kind of news one hears every
All of
day, you
this
know.
has been really hard.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's right there in the field.
Take me there. I want to see it.
Are you
Maybe
sure
they
about
can
that?
go back.
I'm not even sure I trust myself
that?
after what you just told me.
Why are you calling me? I'm an emergency level 8 contact.
This is cool.
Travelers. Jesus, you're serious.
Jesus Christ. I still don't understand how they traveled. Well, they traveled with the other two guys. I don't know why I
Bring
still.
me flowers. July 5th. I'm a Cancer. How great is that?
Oh my god.
Boy! Watch it!
Oh shit. She's going to have a stroke now. I can't look at her like she's basically seeing a ghost, but it's not a ghost. How can she explain all of this now? How can she even believe them even if they told her? She wasn't expecting this from her. This is so weird. I don't know. Oh my
Get back
god.
to the others.
Only imagining being in their position, like, oh my god, who the fuck thought about all of this? Jesus Christ.
And I think what we really need to move
This
through
is a fucking weird
is this.
conversation to have.
the weirdo hair, the flashy light computer music, the partying.
Established.
Well, it definitely wasn't the Institute of Flashy Light Computer Music and singing until 10:45 a.m.
You have no idea what MIT is really like yet.
What is it then? What don't I get?
Something happened to her.
Things are just different when you're older. I can't go back to MIT because I got expelled, okay?
Oh shit.
I knew it.
What the fuck happened?
Knew it. I may only be 12, but I'm pretty sure they don't expel you from school for being adopted.
Like you said, you're only 12.
No shit, Sherlock. But at least I own who I am.
Something happened to her. I really want to know, but I'm scared at the same time.
It's really the only good song on the album.
They are all over the place.
Where are the others?
How if I know?
I don't think it's there anymore. Or maybe yes. I couldn't see the purple, you know. The purple, that color.
And stop smoking, get some exercise.
don't know how they could travel back from there though.
Okay, what the hell is going on?
She's STF underground, like Larry.
The red pickup truck? I don't remember that. At the moment I can't remember. What the fuck?
I'm out.
Yeah, we're not falling for this shit again.
What?
Why their stuff is falling there?
So is all this from 1988? It's a pretty even mix of detritus from the girls' trips to 1988 and 2019.
Yes, exactly.
But it's not a folding.
That didn't look like
Okay.
traveling.
Kind of funny.
Larry!
What the fuck is that? Wait, it's one of those things.
That's not a cat.
Those things that we're using for searching stuff.
We run.
Fuck. Okay guys, I'm starting to think that maybe they won't make it home by the end of the season. I don't know, but if that doesn't happen, please tell me this show was renewed already, because oh my god. Anyways, this episode was amazing. We saw a little more of the struggle between the two Tiffany. There's always like, oh my god, life changed you so much. I can't. And these girls couldn't understand what went wrong basically on the way, but nothing went wrong. Like, it's just how life changes you. We saw a little more of Mac stuff. That also was really sad. Like, I can't imagine how she might feel. Like how anyone could feel in that position. Oh my god. It's sad. It's sad. I don't know. I love how KJ and Mac are getting closer. Things will, like, things are going to happen. I don't know what to expect now. Probably, for sure, the old watch will come to this timeline to do something, but at the same time, I don't understand this thing about killing them for, traveling in time. It's not like they meant to travel in time, it just happened. Couldn't they just bring them back to their time and, wipe their minds? I don't know, but I'm stressed. I really hope everything will end for the best. But even if it happens, I will always feel like that girl is going to die. Oh my god, I am so stressed about all of this. But anyways, it was another amazing episode. If you reached this part of the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media on Twitter and Instagram at ReppyReacts. If you want to support the channel, look at the description down below, and I will see you with the next one. Ciao a tutti.